Political analysts agree that much has been done for the country by the Aquino administration. This report by Kirby Cristobal.
On July 27, President Benigno Aquino III will mark his place in history as he delivers his final State of the Nation address at the Batasan Pambansa, Quezon City. The President is expected to present his accomplishments during his term as well his remaining projects and plans until the year 2016. In an interview with UP Dean Edna Co in a PTV Special Forum, she admitted that this administration sustainable contribution in the country's economic growth.
Pinakatampok na naging accomplishment, kung may matatawag tayo na pinakatampok na accomplishment ng administrasyon, ay yung tinatawag na simbolo ng kanyang leadership sa aspeto ng good governance. Yung pamumuno na tumutuhog or tinatampok yung reduction ng corruption. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin yung nawala totally ang corruption. Subalit sa kanyang panahon, ito ang isang tampok na maaaring simbolo ng kanyang accomplishment.
Aside from the changes in President Aquino will also be remembered for his good governance and transparency in service.
May mga ibabandera siya siguro tungkol sa turismo natin. Kasi dyan ang malaking gain niya. No, siguro mamaya we can expound on that. Pangalawa, dun sa education sector.
Okay.
Bagamat sinasabi nila na may mga repercussions yung K+12 reform. Kung titignan mo, ito yung talagang ipinush talaga eh. Ano to eh, itong administrasyon na ito, mahilig siya sa gusto niyang iwan na malaking legacy.
President Aquino also focused on the needs of the poorest in the society and the youth by providing them quality education. Representatives Veronica and Russell believe that the President made a lot of effort to return the government to the rightful mandate because of his known tuwid na daan.
Ang dami na talagang achievements ng Pinoy administration and we could really credit Pinoy for that. But the thing is, if he really is serious about the daang matuwid, the passage of the FOI bill is of utmost importance.
As a youth, I think we should be part of, participate talaga in terms of our governance. Kasi yun nga, sinabi ni V na we're going to be the next generation.
We, the people of this society, have a big role for the continuous progress of our country. But we will sustainable development if it starts from us. For People's Television, Kirby Cristobal reporting.